Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y19 and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the keyboard, for example in the messages, notes, browser, whatever. Just have the keyboard on the screen, and then all we have to do is to tap on the settings. They are not visible here, but simply tap on the three dots icon, tap on got it, and enter the settings. Here we have to tap on the languages and tap on Add Keyboard. And as you can see here, we've got the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. So we've got quite a lot of options to choose from. So simply find yours and tap on it. Maybe not this one, this one. Sometimes you can pick the region, so just tap on it. And right here we've got the keyboard layouts. The amount of them depend on the specific language. Let's mark the keyboard you'd like to use and eventually untick the option which you don't want to apply. Then let's tap on Done, and as you can see, the Urdu language has been immediately applied. Of course, if you want to, you can remove the previous language right now. Just tap on this edit icon and mark the language and tap on Remove. But let me show you how the keyboard will look like with two different languages added. We've got two differences. So first of all, the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using, and next to it we've got the globe icon, which will allow us to actually change the language. So as you can see, we can freely type in English and then in Urdu, of course, in my case. So after that, let me show you how to remove the language. So let's enter the settings again, tap on the languages and tap on this edit icon as I've described before. Let me remove Urdu and tap on the trash bin icon. We've got only English left, so the spacebar is empty and we do not have the globe icon, which means that we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.